Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the higher order function section. This is review. Great job. By thinking about functions as data and learning about higher order functions, you've taken important steps in being able to write clean, modular code and take advantage of JavaScript's flexibility. Let's review what we learned in this lesson. Abstraction allows us to write complicated code in a way that's easy to reuse, debug, and understand for human readers. We can work with functions the same way we would any other type of data, including reassigning them to new variables. JavaScript functions are first-class objects, so they have properties and methods like any object. Functions can be passed into other functions as parameters. A higher order function is a function that either accepts functions as parameters, returns a function, or both. So those are the key things that you should be taking from the higher order function section, which is that we are able to accept functions as parameters and or return a function. Understanding that, then we're able to write more modular and clean code. If you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.